Hey guys, it's mcfixit here. I have the brand new black edition of the mystery box by Discmania. Let's go ahead and open it up. And see what we got. First and foremost, they normally give you this beautiful code for 20% off. I actually used the red box to get 20% off on this one, and I just saw the first disc. I'm going to try not to look each time. We have a mutant bar stamp, and it is $178, which is pretty much full weight. That's probably going in my bag. That looks sweet. It's kind of a blue, light blue color. And then we have the Sensei. Didn't get a black one. I was kind of hoping for the black one because that one just looks so cool. Then we got a glow disc. This is the Rockstar, pretty sweet. A S-Line DD3, 175 full weight. We have a Vapor Essence, and that is pretty awesome right there. We got a FD3 X out, and that is the Metal Flake. Those things are pretty rare. Ooh, that's even rarer. That is a Midnight Prowl. That is pretty awesome. That's the Origin in the Metaplastic, 177. I think I'm going to be throwing that one. It is a double stamp. Always the putters. We got a P2. I got a buddy, John, who will probably get that one off of me. I don't know if he likes Flex one. I don't really know the difference in those. So if you know, put it down in the comment section below. You have the rarity guide, so if you like to read stuff, go ahead. Drum roll, please. The final one. We have the new Crush Boy C-Line CD1. Can't wait to throw this today on the course. Looks pretty sweet, and it is full weight, 175. Great job, Discmania. And then you also get some other fun treasures in the bottom of the box. Candies, pen, and your favorite thing, a sticker. Go ahead and put that on your vehicle. Again, it is that CD1, P2 Flex one, Midnight Prowl, FD3, Vapor Essence, DD3, Rockstar, Sensei, and Mutant. I want to give you one other tidbit of information. If you go to Greasy Dye's website and order anything, I can get you 10% off. Right down here is my code. It is MConfer23, and that'll get you 10% off right now. They have the brand new special edition Simon Lizotte Hex Glows up on their website. They won't last long, so go ahead and click that link and use that promo code and get yourself a discount. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until the next time.